Hey, who said men can't cook? I'm going to show you how to make the best beef stew on the planet. All you need is one of these, slow cooker. If you're out at work all day, it's cool. You just prepare your food, chuck it in the pot, and when you get home, it's ready to eat. Anyway, hot pot. So, all we need, some really good cuts of beef, some beef stock, some butter, onions, garlic, carrots, potatoes, and I'm cheating, we've got some tin tomatoes, some tin mushrooms, some tin peas, a little bit of basil, some olive oil, don't forget the cabbage, bit of seasoning, salt and pepper, and a secret ingredient, some red wine. Cheapest red wine you can get hold of. It'll be cool. Okay, bit of olive oil, never goes any harm, just a squirt. And then the beef goes in. Don't forget this bit. Tomatoes. Peas. Mushrooms. A little bit of basil. Pepper. A little bit of salt. Some butter. Beef stock. Here we go. Love my onions. You can't beat them. Okay, last bit, cabbage. Best with a big knife, if you've got one. It's just easier. And just get it all chucked in. No finesse, all the heat will sort it out. Just cheated, just put a little bit more red wine on. That's what I like. Anyway, that's it. Lay it on. Switched on. I'm going for a ride on my motorbike now. And I'll be back. Ooh, tea time. Okay. Okay. Cooking over. Look at this. It smells gorgeous. So, it's time to eat. Okay. So, it's dinner time for us. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'm just going to enjoy my stew. We'll see you next time.